Russian salads are wholesome, satisfying, and delicious and can be made in advance for your meals. Let's get started. Let's start by boiling the vegetables. In a saucepan, I am adding 1 cup of water. Let the water boil for some time. Once the water comes to a boil, I am adding 3 medium-sized potato cubes and 3 medium-sized chopped carrots. Next, I am adding half a teaspoon of salt. Make sure to wash all the vegetables before adding them to the water. Let these boil for 3 minutes. In the same water, I am adding half a cup of chopped beans and half a cup of green peas. Stir the vegetables well and let them sit for 2 minutes. Make sure all the vegetables are parboiled and not overcooked. By boiling vegetables, we get rid of the impurities they hold, and cooked vegetables also deliver more minerals. Now, let's move on to the next step. I'm straining all the veggies. Remove the veggies on a plate and spread them out so that they cool down faster. It's time to assemble the salad. For that, in a bowl, I'm taking half a cup of mayonnaise and half a cup of fresh cream. Season it with half a teaspoon black pepper and half teaspoon of salt. Add in the boiled veggies and 1 chopped apple. Let's mix this well. Use spoon or spatula as per your convenience. Make sure the seasoning and the sauce are well mixed with all the veggies. Chill this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Time to serve. I've lined up the bowl with lettuce leaves. Into this, add the salad we made. Serve this Russian salad chilled to enhance the flavor and crunch. Pair this luscious Russian salad with some bread and soup and enjoy. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.